In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your DIY concrete project from freezing temperatures during curing so it doesn't crack or weaken. When you're working with concrete in cold weather, you gotta be smart about keeping it warm because freezing temps can totally mess up the whole curing process and ruin your hard work. Alright, first off, timing is clutch. Try to pour your concrete when the weather forecast shows a few days above 32 degrees Fahrenheit so it has a chance to set properly before any freeze hits. Then, use insulated blankets or tarps to cover your concrete right after pouring. This traps heat and keeps the cold out. If you're feeling fancy, you can set up a temporary shelter or even use a small space heater nearby. Just don't let the heat get too intense or dry out the concrete too fast. Adding warm water instead of cold when mixing your concrete helps keep the initial temperature higher. Also, consider using additives like accelerators that speed up curing in chilly weather. Keep checking the weather and reapply coverings if you see frost forming. If you're working on a big slab, build wooden forms around it and stuff them with straw or foam insulation to protect the edges too. And don't forget to keep foot traffic off until it's fully cured, which might take longer than usual in the cold. One of the biggest screw-ups I see is pouring concrete straight into freezing conditions without any protection. The concrete ends up weak and crumbly. Another common mistake is using cold water for mixing or not insulating the slab well enough, which slows curing and makes it brittle. Lastly, people often peel off blankets or coverings too soon because they think the concrete looks dry, but it actually needs more time to cure fully in low temps. Leaving it exposed leads to cracking for sure. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff about things like cold weather concrete work. For contractors, it's an awesome way to connect with more clients who need skilled help on projects like this without sweating where the next job is coming from.